Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change windshield wipers on your vehicle. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver. It's crucial to have the correct blade lengths. For many vehicles, this might be 26 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger's side. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old blades. First, put your wipers into service mode. This often involves turning the ignition on and off, then holding the wiper stalk up for a few seconds. Next, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks upright. Locate the small release tab or clip on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the arm, usually a J-hook or pinch tab style. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the attachment point on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to repeat these steps for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are properly installed. Great job! Now for the final checks. Ensure both new wiper blades are securely attached and can move freely without obstruction. Next, activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid to confirm they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. You might also consider upgrading to premium or beam-style blades for enhanced performance and durability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.